Bitch, Corvette. Hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Then with a dead in the net like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that? I'm up for Eddie, I'm up. Beauty by Genecia. Beauty by Genecia. Beauty by Genecia.
Gensters, subscribe for more. Hey Gensters, welcome back. It's Genecia here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I don't know, I'm feeling very wannabe dancer look, and I've been on TikTok lately, so I'm gonna call this like the wannabe TikTok dancer look, inspired look. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, follow me. Do follow backs to all my supporters on TikTok that wants to help me come up in the TikTok community. So thanks in advance. Help me reach 12K. I'm almost there. Before we get started, Gensters, I need you guys to subscribe. Subscribe for the vibe. If you guys are here for it, if you guys are digging it already, like this video as well and leave a comment down below how you guys are feeling the look. You know, without further ado, if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching. What's up, Gensters? What is going on? How are you guys doing today? I already done my skincare routine, so if you guys are here for that, let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. As you clearly can see, I am addicted to TikTok, so follow your girl. I'm going to be starting off with my brows. I gotta lay down my brows, guys, and this step is definitely needed in my makeup routine. Absolutely love it. It's benefit, and it needs to be worked in sections because it dries very fast, just an FYI, but I love it. It keeps my brows laid all day. So now we are going to be moving on to priming our face. I'm going to be using two primers, by the way. The first one is Benefit Porefessional, and I absolutely love this because it mattifies your face. I have oily skin, so if you have oily skin, you need this, and minimize your pores. The second primer is the Smashbox. If you're into photography and beauty and makeup tutorials and being on camera and all that, I highly recommend this because it gives you that smoothing, like airbrush look after you're done with your makeup. I'm here for it. You don't even need Facetune, sis. So now moving on to the tatted brow. Oh my gosh. If you guys been watching my get ready with me's and my tutorials, you guys know that this product is like about to die out, but your girl has been like finessing it somehow. I apply this only to the tailbone area for that natural look. I don't touch like the beginning of my brows. I like to keep that natural. Going in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer. Again, other products will be listed down below in order. I'm going to be sculpting my brows, and then I'm going to be applying that concealer also to my lid because it's going to be acting as a primer when we do our eyeshadow. So it's like a 2-in-1. Absolutely love this brush because it just gives you that smooth airbrush look, and then your eyeshadows completely blend together. It just looks so nice, trust me. Going in with this smaller brush and just blending that out. And then I'm going to be sculpting the top of my brows. I don't know if that's a thing for you guys, but I like to sculpt the top of my brows and blend that out. And make sure everything's blended. Just keep blending, sis. Always blend, blend, blend for the win, win, win. Sorry, I was not recording when I applied my foundation. I used the Dior foundation, and I'm using my beauty blender to blend that out. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible. This is a foundation, but I use this as an under highlight / concealer. I don't like to add too much, but I don't like to add too little. I just be in the middle with it. But it dries very quickly, so you need to work in sections. Do not apply this all over your face, okay? Just letting you guys know, it dries fast. It lasts all day though. It's 24-hour wear. So if you have oily skin, that's a bonus. I'm blending that out. I don't go past my smile lines or my cheekbones for the highlight. I'm also highlighting, you know, my top lip, going in the crevices of your nose, because you want everything to have the same tone as well as no creases. You know, you need everything to be blended. I apply that to my dimple chin, my butt chin, whatever you want to call it. Manny calls it butt chin. He's so mean. So I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics contour palette. Oh my gosh, it's breaking up on me. I had this for years, sis. Loyal. Talk about commitment. But yeah, I'm using these two colors. You know, I'm just finessing it, trying to get my nice highlight shade. I like a bright highlight. That's me. I don't know. I'm stuck in the early 2000s. But I like a bright highlight. And I'm going to apply that to everywhere I highlighted my face, basically. So yeah. Also do like a little blowing, like blowfish look, so you can take out the creases so you don't have crease lines. Going in with my Hoola Benefit, yes. And I'm going to be contouring. So this is going to be like a bronzer contour. Going in, you know, make a little kiss face, putting that on the crease of my cheekbones, and blend that upwards, and just keep blending. Trust me, if you blend for a while, everything will look so smooth. And then, oh, don't forget to subscribe. You see that animation, subscribe if you haven't already. But I use the side where I applied the foundation and I blended that bronzer out, and then I went in and with the side of the highlight where I highlighted my face with the beauty blender, and I applied that underneath my bronzer. You guys will see in a second. But yeah, I'm blending that out with the side of the foundation, and then I go in with the side of the highlight and I'm highlighting underneath that bronzer because I'm going to give my face a slimming effect. And then I'm going to go in with that same highlight powder that I used to highlight my face. Will set my face, and I'm going to be setting that in right now. And then I'm going to finish off contouring and bronzing up and warming up my face with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Fun part, time to snatch that nose, sis. Give yourself a nose job because you can't afford it. So you know, I mean, if you're not here for surgeries, you can do this, you know. But yeah, I'm just sculpting my nose with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer again, but with more of a denser brush. And I also like to apply that to the bottom of my nose. I don't like to connect everything because I like to give that cute button effect and have like a lifted, more contour nose, if you get what I mean. But I'm not connecting anything. Then I go back in with like a clean brush and blend that out because you don't want any harsh lines. You want everything to blend and mold together beautifully with like a gradient. Going in with this Benefits, ooh, highlight, sis. I'm using a highlight. And if you didn't know, FYI, just like a makeup tip, spray your brush and it's going to have like more of a, ooh, look at that, it's just shining. It's shining bright like a diamond. Yeah. Sorry, it's the morning. Going in with my Tartelette palette, and what color am I going? Okay, oh yeah, I'm grabbing this color right here. It's like a nice brown color starting off. You know, we're not doing too much to the eyes, guys. We're keeping this like really nice and beautiful, minimalistic. So I'm just applying that to my crease, and I'm going to bring it up towards my brows, but not too much. Gotta still leave that highlight there. I'm just brushing this sparingly, to be honest. Like, it's no technique, just brush it on, girl. Morphe palette for the win. Going in with like a slightly darker brown shade, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease, just the crease area, to give it some depth. Your eyes need to be like having that gradient, like lights to darks, so you just want to keep building up colors in that same tone family, like monochromatic. Sorry guys. Now Huda Beauty. I'm going in with like this white shade. It's going to be the base for the next color that's going to pop. Okay, so I'm applying that to my lid. You know, very simple. You see guys, we just used like what, 3 colors so far? 3 colors, and now we're about to go on a 4th color, and that's it. Going in with the Smashbox and getting this nice cute tan moment right here. It's like a tan, like a bright low tan, you know. It kind of blends in and matches with the highlight. So it's like you're highlighting, contouring your eyes. I want everything to flow seamlessly, and it's just gonna look really nice and minimalistic, you know, like a nice soft glam. Not doing too much, but you did a lot to get there. And then the same colors that apply to my crease, my eyes, or transitional color, everything. Them 4 colors, well, actually 2 traditional brown shades. I'm only applying that to my lower lash line and just brushing that out. I like that kind of like baggy eye sack look. That's like my thing, but you don't have to do that. Then I'm going in with my NYX liner. Ooh, I love liner. It's so fun. Every day it's like, is it going to be perfect? You know, this is just like one of them breathe in and don't breathe, sis type of moments, because you don't want to mess up. And I love how dark and black this is. And I had this for like 2 years, guys, and it's still with me. Like, there's a lot of product left in here, and it's a great investment. So get you a NYX liner, sis. Bang, bang, bang. Bad girl, benefit, bang, 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 bang. Oof. Yo, I need help. I'm applying this mascara, and I like it. It's just like to prep my eyelashes for my falsies. You know, I apply that to the top and bottom. Now I'm going in with my Ardell Whispies. Love Ardell. Been using Ardell Whispies for like years. Like, I'm loyal, like, for Ardell. Like, seriously. And yeah, I just love how like it just feathers out, and it's just so wispy and flirty, and like give you that kind of cat eye look. I love it. And it's not doing too much either. It's not like a heavy lash. It's like that perfect everyday lash. Let me know if you love Ardell. What type of wispy or what type of lash girl are you? Let me know. Gonna spray my face. Gotta set it in. You know, gotta do that with the Milani Make It Last 16 hour. It's matte too, so I love it. Oily skin, love it. Going in with my Ofra Cosmetics, and this is like a liquid lip liner, lipstick. Sorry. And I'm just going to be lining my lips. I know here you guys will see me just leave it matte, but I actually went in with a gloss. I've been on like a gloss phase. So it's like now, it's like when I put something on my lips, it's like I'm missing something. Like I need to add some gloss, you know? So yeah, I just blend that out with my finger. I don't like to add any more product because I just like to keep that minimal look. I don't like to do too much, you know? I like to look like it's like part of my lips. Like that's my natural lip color. I'm just accentuating it. See? Look. I got the gloss. Here are the finished look, guys. Look, I'm looking bomb. Not doing too much soft glam for TikTok.
Corvette, hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Then put it in the net like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that? I'm up for Eddie, I'm up.
Hey guys, so you have reached the end of the video. Your girl's all dressed, and I'm here to impress, you know, the TikTokers out there. You know, subscribe, follow me, like, share, duet with me. I would love to see your duets. Like, duet with me. And yeah, all my social media links will be down below. So the top is like this nice little quilted pattern, which I'm here for it. It's a button up, which is very nice in my opinion, because you can totally be versatile with this top. You can tie it in a top knot, you can show up your cleavage, you can do so many different styles with this top. And I basically just tucked in the bottom of like the left side of the shirt, tucked it in here so it can show off that belly, because if you're a TikToker, you need to show a little skin. Like people love people love showing skin on there. So you gotta show the skin, show a little cleavage, give you extra likes and reshares. And for the pants, they're like really baggy trousers in a sense. Like I got mine in a large, so it does like hug me in a way, but it's still loose. Like I really like that. And I really do like that you can transform it to like a low riders or high-waisted. Totally up to you, girl. Yeah, I like it. It's like give me room to dance. You can dance, pop the beat, you know. Whoa. Yeah. You know, you can do anything in this outfit and it's very comfortable, chill. What was that? I hope that wasn't a shock. That would be very ghetto for me. Very ghetto of me if that was gunshots. Sorry, not sorry. I live in the hood. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm starting to think that all my get readies with me will be like featuring TikToks that I'm learning throughout the week, because every video I do is like new TikToks, dances that I'm showing you guys. So let me know if you guys are here for it. And yeah, check out all my social media links down below. I love you guys. And I'll see you Ginsters in the next video. Bye!